So previously, low testosterone was always thought of as part of the aging process. It wasn't even necessarily thought that it was low testosterone, it's just you're getting old and this is what happens when you get old. In addition, a lot of people thought it was depression, because if you look at testosterone, low testosterone and depression symptoms, they're pretty much apples for apples. In depression, we see guys with low energy, low motivation, they don't sleep well, sexual dysfunction, so on and so forth. And those match right up with low testosterone symptoms. And now that we have the ability and the desire to look and define this, we find it's more pervasive than we thought it was, and in younger men. And so that's when we see guys before they come in, they have these symptoms. They're not feeling very well. Their energy is low. They don't have any motivation. Family troubles because they just don't feel present, right? They sit on the couch and they just watch their kids play and they just don't have the energy to do it. So when we finally find out what's going on, we start them on treatment, all that turns around. They're keeping up with their kids. They're doing things around the house, right? They're more involved in their spouse's life, and they're finding other things to do. Like, oh, I really used to like to go out and work in my shop and do woodworking or play guitar or all these different things. Hunting is way easier and it's much more enjoyable. As before, I didn't even want to get my guns out. I didn't want to clean them because I didn't have the energy or the desire, the motivation to. So it is a complete 180 for our patients. When we start them on treatment, they do notice, wow, I'm getting back to the way it was. I'm doing the things that I want to do, and their lives improve dramatically. And another thing we encourage guys to understand is having the conversation is the most important part. It's understanding as men, we want to be prideful, we want to be able to pull ourselves up by our bootstraps and do everything we need to do. But if you don't have the energy to do the things and you're not feeling like you're meeting your goals or achieving the things that you want to achieve, coming in and seeing our providers and our staff, we understand, we deal with this every single day. We know how we can approach a treatment plan that's just for you, that will help you meet your goals. So talk with the provider today about your symptoms and your treatment options.